guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Hazel XX Eyes, and this video is going to be about this wig on my head. I got this hair from a Aliexpress vendor called Queen Mary Hair Factory. I placed my order February 22nd and I received it February 26th. So I've had this hair for quite a while now. I often switch between like 2 weeks wearing a wig and 2 weeks with my natural hair out, so I've gotten a lot of usage out of this hair. This is the Peruvian body wave in a 16-inch closure with an 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles. So if I stand up, there comes, to my hip, so it's pretty decent. And I am 5 foot tall, so pretty short, so it's probably be a little shorter on other people. When I received this hair, it came in the normal DHL shipping packaging. Each bundle was individually wrapped and it had the link at the top with the hair company's name at the at the top also. Typical packaging and things like that. The hair was very soft and it had the typical factory smell. It wasn't stinky or anything. But the hair was dry, and to this day the hair is dry, so I'm not sure if that's just how the hair is. I've ordered Peruvian hair before, and that's usually what I go to, and it's usually very silky and feels moisturized. Maybe it's just this hair, but it doesn't like interfere with anything, so it's fine. The pros and cons of this hair, I'm going to start with the cons. This hair does shed a lot. If you're simply brushing the hair, you're going to have fallout. If you shake your head, you're gonna have fallout. Like if I really just sit here and collect the hair that's in my lap right now, you're gonna see a couple strands. So it does shed a lot. All hair sheds though, but it's still a little bit more than what you would typically expect from hair. I did cut the wefts on this, but it was only at the top close to my closure, so who knows. Also this hair does tangle, but it's very minimal tangling. It's nothing like, see, it's little small things, and it does tangle up in the back near the nape of your neck, but that's again typical of bundles. The pros of this hair, I love this closure. I literally had to do, I started to pluck and then I was like, I did 1, 2, and I was like, wait, you don't even have to. Like it looks perfectly fine, perfectly natural. I did not bleach my lace, but as you can see, this is the parting and it looks so good. I love this closure. It did come with baby hairs, but they were pretty long, so I had to cut them. This is my first time ever doing baby hairs on a wig, so baby hairs in general on bundles and stuff like that. What else? This hair straightens and curls beautifully. I actually think my next video is going to be me curling this hair, so look out for that. But I initially bought this hair just to be curled and straightened, not to wear it in its natural state, because I don't really care for how body wave looks. I feel like it's too everyday. Like I feel like it's just OD lazy and just not cute overall. That's just my personal opinion. I typically go for straight hair, but yeah, overall this hair is pretty decent. Other than the shedding, like I would and am ordering from this hair company again. When I placed my order, the hair was $77, and this was during their Valentine's Day sale. And now with the exact same links, the hair is $93.90, so that's not bad. And they also upgraded, so at first you could only get a 3-part closure. Now you can pick between a 3-part, a middle part, and a 3-part closure, so that's also good and shows growth within the company. Overall, I give this hair A- just because of the shedding. Other than that, like, this is great hair and you really should order it. Thank you guys for watching. Please check the down bar below for any of my information, and please subscribe.